Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the essentials done fast. Update iPhone iOS and your laptop OS, and install iTunes or drivers if required. Plug a certified Lightning or USB-C cable into a direct laptop port, avoid hubs. Unlock the iPhone so prompts show, then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. This readies AirDrop and Finder syncing. Once done, connect the cable and watch for the Trust This Computer dialog. Tap Trust, enter your passcode, and proceed to transfer or sync. Once the device appears in Finder or iTunes, select it to configure the connection. Decide USB for fastest transfers or enable Wi-Fi sync for cable-free convenience. In Finder, tick Show this iPhone when on Wi-Fi. In iTunes, enable sync options. Set backups. Choose encrypted if you need saved passwords, and pick Photos Import Preferences. For file transfer, open file sharing, drag files into app containers, and confirm transfers. Make sure to click Apply, then wait for sync progress to finish before disconnecting. To finish, verify the sync completed and backups are present, then eject the device before unplugging the cable. If you used Wi-Fi, confirm the iPhone still appears in Finder or iTunes for future automatic syncs. If something goes wrong, first try a different certified cable and restart both devices. Make sure you tap Trust and re-enter the passcode. If issues persist, update laptop drivers, reset network settings on the iPhone, and, as a last resort, run Apple diagnostics or visit support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.